Who's damn hard?
Okay, let's see here.
Did you get down after your girl? Did y'all get settled down, or did y'all go and get drunk again?
No, I went home and drank water. I didn't get drunk. She kept drinking.
All right. Yeah, she grabs her mom by the neck.
That's mother and daughter.
Well, they smell on your truck.
Oh, yeah, well.
Your dogs.
Everybody, well, I've got females, but a bunch of males have peed all over it.
Okay.
Where I go.
Raven, what are you doing?
There's Bones.
That's Bonnie loose.
Oh, Bonnie.
Oh, they'll be damn
Killing
goddamn
chickens. I thought, well, that's a 3-pack chicken killers.
Oh, yeah. Well, you calf.
Well, yeah, let's see how she's doing. So, M&M and Jelly Bean. Good morning, everybody. There's Rick. How you feeling?
I went to bed at 10 till 7.
That sounds like me.
That's it.
What happened?
What, Rick?
Yeah. Just puny?
Just medicine and shit, getting started this morning. Yesterday, dialysis.
Mm.
Little girl, where you going?
Hey, M&M.
He gets out every morning, gets in there.
Golly, his withers are getting even bigger. What are those, withers or
Where?
shoulders?
No, that's just the bones sticking through. Well, look at the size of that damn big gut on him. Wouldn't that pull down on you?
Do you think once he gets on grass, his
Oh,
back might straighten up?
I'm not going to keep nothing like that for breeding stuff, I'll assure you.
Phoenix! No.
Go ahead and cry.
Oh, Phoenix, you can't stay here. You're not going to turn into a bull. Because you got a hump in your back. So what? He's got a hump in his back.
Yeah, so what? He's got small feet, small bone. That's good.
He's beautiful. I thought he was the best looking bull we ever had.
Yeah.
Till those bones started showing up on his back. Oh, I feel so sad. Phoenix, look how beautiful his face is. Phoenix, look how beautiful he is. I just thought he was so handsome.
Damn.
Look how beautiful he is. I just thought he was so handsome.
Damn.
They get a squirt of... Somebody says, is he going to freezer camp?
Yeah.
Oh, golly, Phoenix. How come you had to have a hump in your back? Dang it. And you said that that's probably because he lost his mother and we...
Well, he just ain't had everything they need, you know. They get their immunity, they get off their mama's milk and everything. They just... He's done damn good for just being fed here.
He never slowed down.
No.
He never went through a puny era. I mean, whenever you found him, He just always has just done great. And I thought he was going to be one of our best bulls. So tell the people what this means.
That don't mean anything.
Why you can't keep them.
You just don't keep stuff that's got a sway in their back or anything.
So what are you looking for?
I don't know. Look at these.
No.
Mm-hmm.
I know.
Yeah.
Tell the people what you have to have in a good bull.
You got to have a perfectly straight back to start with.
Okay, so this is the thing. You see how it goes? Hang on, I'm going to clean my lens. Okay, you see how his back has got this hump in it like this, kind of sway back? That is a no-no in cows, right?
Right.
Bulls.
Well, he's
gonna
push his genetics forward. You don't never push half-ass genetics. Get the best you can. Listen to them damn dogs. They'll be tearing the fenders off of Rick's car.
But he has a beautiful head, small feet. That's what you want, small feet, because that means his cows can have their babies easier, their calves easier. So that's called calving ease whenever they have small feet and a small head. And he's just damn good looking everywhere else except for that. And that'll send him to the freezer. Damn it. Phoenix. Well, maybe one of your people will want to buy them for their bull.
Oh.
You won't even sell them for a bull.
No, you don't want it.
So you're going to castrate him?
We'll probably ban him, yes.
Oh, God. Then his fate will surely be sealed. Randall?
Yes.
Dang it.
Well, you don't want somebody else to get screwed up genetics.
Yeah. Oh, that's sad. Okay, but we are going to get to keep Edgar.
If they don't keep quick butt.
Edgar's looking, oh my God, Edgar, you're looking so good. Well, now he's starting to fill out and look like a bull.
He's almost catching up with the rest of them.
Edgar.
But he's a damn pig.
Okay, so this was one of our bottle babies right here.
Yeah,
oh my goodness.
You fed cookies to.
Yes, he's a cookie eater, this one. This is Edgar, bottle baby. What's this growth on his back?
Hell, I don't know.
Ew. What is that?
Oh, it's a damn wart, probably. It's probably got a mature before it'll come off.
Edgar, you better not start looking bad or you'll end up on the damn chopping block. I'll put some... Randall, I'm going to put some ward off on this. Don't kill him. Don't send him to the sale. But see, he's kind of got... I guess his feet look okay.
Yeah.
I always thought he kind of looked like he didn't have much of a heel, but I guess he's looking okay. So this is the bullpen, and we've put all the big bulls out with other cows.
These are just two, ones that, these are gator sons.
Okay.
Out of them's out of first calf heifers.
Yeah.
And they've done extremely well. We weaned them early because they were pulling their mamas down so bad.
Now, I noticed, though, he's kind of got big feet. Don't he? Kind of have broad feet.
Yeah.
No? Compared to Edgar.
Well, yeah, I know, but they got to have a certain amount of bone and stuff, but you just don't want to go overboard in it.
Yeah.
They got that. You got people, that's all the hell they talk about. Oh, big bone and big damn feet. Well, buddy, when you start having calves, and they hang up back there in the rear end, and it's born dead, or you have to pull them just to save them, that is, you'll wish to hell you didn't have all that. They hang up there. They got to get the head through, and they got to get the feet. That's the first thing that hangs up. And they come out with damn 4x4 posts coming out.
Yeah.
Like that. That's too damn big. I don't know what I might get by on a damn giant. cow.
Yeah.
And big old Charolais and stuff, but you know they have trouble with them. Guys, they like that. That Charolais, they put that in there and they get that extra hybrid bigger and get that jump on growth.
Okay, repeat.
They wean them damn calves too much bigger.
Wait a second. What'd you say? What kind?
The Charolais. Yeah, they put a lot of these guys. That's what they're using on their cow herd. Charolais bulls. So the calves weaning at damn, 450. They're weaning at 550 and 600 and 700. Just depends on how damn big a cow. Now you got to expect a damn 1,400-pound calf to wean half her weight. So it ain't nothing for her to get a 700-pound calf. They need to weigh 50% of their mama's body weight.
Really?
Listen to that. What the hell they got? See, I got that. Damn, I really need that. I pushed over something for it. I got that yesterday.
What is
liquid molasses?
Yeah. So what does that do?
Huh? I'm putting it on them worm repellents. We're gonna put them out this morning.
So that what
Maybe
makes
we
them?
can get them out of this. It's a set.
That just makes them more tasty.
Sweeter. Yeah. They didn't want to eat them.
Okay.
Let me pull around.
Cypress Marie, thank you. The dog that's barking is she might be a blue tick. Is Bonnie a blue tick hound? Yeah. She's a registered blue tick. All the dogs are registered except for so we got a registered red bone, a registered plot, and a registered blue tick, and that's Jelly Bean. That is, come here, Jelly Bean. There she goes. Okay. But she's half and half. She's half red bone. That's Red's baby, the daddy. And then Raven is her mother, and she's plot hound. What's this damn? Everybody's hungry. They've got pasture. Everybody's got pasture. Okay, this is my favorite bull on the whole farm. This guy right here. This is the gentleman. Hey, Bubba. Now we didn't bottle feed him, but he just turned out so sweet.
Yeah.
He is just...
He's out of gator too. I'm gonna let Kay have him or that other one out there.
Yeah.
I don't want her to have something that, a damn bull, when you get ready to handle them, people don't know that, but when you get ready to sell a bull and you get him out in the pen by himself, you don't do that. You always pen him with a cow.
That keeps him calm.
Something else. And that way, go ahead and when you load him, you take him away, the minute you take him away from the cows and stuff, even your older bulls, you don't know when they're gonna blow up. They can tear the damn crowd down, just shred it. They're so big and strong. And
yeah.
They can kill you, even though, just because you get there and you're trying to, I'm gonna get him loaded and I'll hit him with a hot shot and I'll do this and that. And buddy, they can turn around on a dime. And that's why I was, gonna sell her one of them other bulls, and I just think, no, because you don't know. All right, what are you doing, smart ass?
Wait,
Let me get some.
that's just a cow. No, there's the other bull. So you were saying whenever you put a bull on a trailer, you always want to put a cow in there with
Well,
him?
at least get him loaded on there and turn around and let her back out. Hell, I have hauled him to town and brought him back.
So it just keeps the bull calmer.
Well, you don't want to get hurt. You gotta use a little common sense. And that's just something you learn. See this other bull, he's not crazy or nothing.
So that's the other bull right there.
Yeah, he's more Angus. That there's more ultra black.
Ultra black. So
Yeah.
what's ultra black?
Well, that's just he's got a Brangus cow and an Angus bull on him.
Okay.
See,
So you see how he's a little bit taller.
He's taller.
That's
He's
the
got
gentleman,
Brahma-
and that's
Brahma
the
crest. He's real clean sheath. That's what you got to save
real clean sheath, like
underneath,
down there.
Yeah.
So you see how he doesn't have a lot of skin.
Yeah. Well, they got to see him. See how that sheath hangs out on that steer?
Yeah.
See, you wouldn't dare want to keep a bull like that. That damn rupture's just about growed past, or went back up in him.
Yeah.
I guess we'll have to butcher him one of these days. I don't know what to do.
Oh, I forgot. I got to call my friend. Yeah, we got to spray the flies again. So how old are these? These are
They're short yearlings. They're under 12 months.
under 12
Long
months.
yearlings is over 12 months. And we weaned these this spring.
So these are wormer pellets?
Yeah.
So he put molasses in there with it just to make them more tasty.
Yeah. I'll put the other pellet.
Don't that look tasty? They look like barbecue tater tots. Those are wormer pellets. And then, of course, this is the chicken feed. I've done several videos on what we feed them and why. So these are layer pellets for chickens. That's what we always feed them. So let me see if...
There's the tag. It's really helpful.
This is it. Y'all can see that. That's all the goodie that's in that, and that's why it's a cheaper way to get gain on a cow.
I kept her back. I ain't put a ear tag in her or anything. See the narrow pole there
Yeah,
on the top of their head?
yeah.
That's a Cabinese trait.
Is it?
Narrow pole.
Okay,
Yeah.
so the top of the head is like a point right there.
Yeah. Well, the pole's just, you got polled cattle and you got damn horn cattle. Polled means they ain't got no horns, but that's when I say the narrow pole, that narrow part of the top of the head. That's just a good Cabinese trait to go by. If you don't know anything else, you can go by all these EPDs.
What about this one too?
She's fine. but I'm not keeping her. I'm gonna do that, and I already got that.
So you're
one
gonna
mark.
keep her,
I'm gonna put a tag in her.
but you're not gonna keep her. Okay.
No. And that black white face over there, her mother is excellent. That furthest one, but she's kind of tall and kind of gangly. She don't have that much hind quarter or anything, but you don't have to have everything perfect.
So
Her
she's
mother's
kind
good.
of, she's not ideal,
No.
but she's got a great mother, so you're probably gonna keep her.
Yeah, that's why I kept her back. This one here, she's out of the cows with the horns, the ones that I call, what did I call them?
Florida
cracker cows?
crackers. Florida crackers.
cows.
Oh,
Yeah. Well, I mean, they're several generations away
she's
from me.
crazy.
But they got perfect udders and everything. Them couple cows that are left.
Okay, so every cow that's on the farm has went through this process here.
Yeah.
They get weaned. This is where they get weaned, and he feeds them.
Listen, the heifer calves, I like to mark them when they're out there on their mamas.
So you
When
know
they're
what.
little, put an ear tag in
So you know who they
so
are.
I don't damn miss them
Right.
when they fall. And then I know if I put an ear tag in it, there was a reason for it. You know,
Yeah.
her mother's excellent, got a perfect udder, and it's just gonna be it's a nice calf. You know, when I can look at it.
Right.
That's why, you know,
They got about
almost all this
300
stuff
cattle.
you can judge when they're babies.
Yeah.
You can judge a damn good bull calf or a heifer calf and stuff. You can tell it when they're little. They're just a small form of what they're going to be.
Right.
They don't change that much. Let me,
So what I was saying, they've got about 300 cattle, but whenever all the cows are getting weaned, they come through this process. He feeds them twice a day. He's in here with them, putting his hands on them and stuff like that. So that's why his cows are usually tamer than the average, because they go through this process for several months. They'll be out here.
yeah. Remember the lady want to know why in the hell does he all the time sitting there hanging, rolling that into
Yeah.
that bag? Because it slips through my finger. I ain't got my hands is just completely slipped. When you wear the
Fingerprints?
fingerprints off, yeah, you'd think I was a convict. They get so slick, that paper's so slick too. This paper's extra slick. See, I gotta put that damn wire with that.
So on today's agenda, we're going to be fixing fence for a little while. But then I think then we're going to go to town and do some shopping, some thrift shopping. Oh my God, is that for us?
What? Insulators? Yeah.
Is that how many we're going to do today?
Oh, I don't know. Like that, when you need them and you can't find the ones that are stripped off. Let's see. I don't know what we're gonna get. I gotta just don't let me forget to put down steel T-posts and get wire. I couldn't find no red brand wire nowhere. And I'm not buying that other junk. What are they gonna do? Tear the goddamn hoses off the tractor? Get down,
What?
Bonnie.
What's in there?
I
A
don't know,
mouse?
something.
Squirrel?
Rick, to me, I can't do two things. Oh, if there's a damn squirrel or a rat got up in one of them, they'll damn chew the fenders off a car. I told him you can't let them all loose and let them run and not pay attention. I know they got to run loose. No, they need a little bit of day, but you need to keep an eye on them. They need to put that energy toward running coons, what they need to do.
Well, we're going coon hunting this year.
Yeah.
That's gonna happen. We got all those coon dogs, and we haven't been coon hunting. I don't know, when's the last time you went coon hunting?
I went with Chance a couple years ago. We went a couple different times. I don't know if we went any last year or not.
I don't think so. Okay, so out here they've got a bunch of first time heifers that's been bred.
We got 2 that were bred in the pasture. Got calves.